Hey guys, it's Lisa from Joyfully Art. I'm going to do another video today, and I'm going to be working on this 12 by 16 canvas. I'm going to be doing an open cup pour. There's my little cups, and let's see. Here is my tree ring cloud pour. From my last video, not very many clouds showed up. But I like this, and I like this. This, not so much. So I'm thinking about doing something here in the middle. Painting something there in the middle. So if I decide to do that, I'll show it to you at a later date. There we go. So on with the next. And my colors are Art Minds, Tahitian Blue, Deco Art, Cobalt Teal Hue, and we have Deco Art Yellow Iron Oxide, Artist Loft Deep Magenta, and then I have some metallic white that's left over from a different pour, and then I just have a regular white that I'll do around the other ones to help my cups flow. So let's get on with this, see what happens. What you don't like about these bottles, you shake them and then you open them up and they squirt all over the place. You gotta be really careful with it. That's it. I don't do that together. Let's do this. And then we'll just got the wrong one. And some magenta. And I'm going to get some white down around them. They're already starting to come out some. This is my metallic white. My white needs a little bit of torching. Air bubbles. The last thing I want to do is catch my cups on fire. Would not be very good. Move these around just a little bit. Pretty colors. I've almost lost my cup. They're really flowing, aren't they? Let's see what we can do with this. Try and I think we might need to fill our cups again. Let's see if we can get it to go this way. My TV going, so I want to keep you in frame. You can see the process here. Okay, we got one more end. Oops, down there. See how she works. There's not a lot of paint on here. Paint's moving, but it's moving a little slow. To do something with that blob in the middle there. I'm not caring for that. I don't think that's gonna move. check my sides out. I love these pastel acrylics. They are so pretty. This is an open cup pour. As you can see, the cups are open. I just took a regular paper cup and cut it in half like that. And use my colors. Everything will be in the description box below. And I'll take this time while it's sitting for a second and ask you please to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. That always helps in my placement with YouTube. Share with your family and friends, please. All my paintings are for sale, and all my contact information is also in the description box below. Let's give it a torch. I think on my yellow, oxide got lost. And there we have it. And if you ever want to get into pour painting with acrylics, you can always contact me. I'll be glad to answer any of your questions. You can leave me a message or give me a comment down below. I will answer all comments. I'd love to hear from you. That's it for today. Please, everyone, stay safe. Thanks for watching. And as always, have a great day.